Hey guys, my name is Randall Reed. I'm the owner here of the Dent Specialist, located here in Benton, Kentucky. His shop is right around the Jacksonville area for you that don't know. And what we do here is called Paintless Dent Repair, which basically is removing dents without having to do any repainting whatsoever. What we got going on here today is I'm going to have a couple examples coming up here of just what we do here. Anyway guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you some before and after videos really quick. And you can see what I do. All right guys, first example is going to be a Toyota SUV. Dent in the front fender, as you can see, pretty bad one. This repair took a few hours. As you can see, it came out 100%. Customer was ecstatic. This came out. Looked like it never happened. I believe the next one we got is a Chevy Tahoe front fender, nasty crease. This one also came out 100%. Anyway guys, our number's coming across the bottom of the screen. Anybody needs our services, please feel free to give me a call.